Gilen Sharma. Sweeper should cut that off. Another expensive over. Pakistan goes for 11. 8 done. 96 for no loss.
So 96 for no loss, and India going like a fast train at the moment. .97 from 8 overs. They call it bullet trains these days.
They also call it a runaway train without breaks. That's what India is doing here. 97 for none, we're into 9th over. What an innings. What a player, Abhishek Sharma. 53 of just 25. Gill, equally good, 43. But everything is in control. Unbelievable display of batting by these two youngsters from India.
He's got long levers, such a lovely back flow. And like a lot of players we've seen over the last 8-10 years who go towards the bottom of the bat, Abhishek Sharma holds his bat right at the top of the handle. Remember someone like Adam Gilchrist who would do it.
And out of this 8.2 overs, there were 13 dot balls, Shaz. 97.
Again in the air, an opportunity. No, it'll land safely.
See, that's the beauty of these players, Abhishek Sharma and Gill. They don't stop. They're not going to take singles now. Look at this, 99 run rate of 11.65. And what an innings from this boy. Get-go. And then, of course, 4 sixes, 4 fours, strike rate of 200. He just played everywhere, all over the park. Breathtaking.
What he does well, he plays the field. He's a smart operator. He knows where the fielders are positioned. 100-run partnership comes up. And it's come in double quick time. And already fabulous entertainment for the crowd. Abhishek, 4 boundaries, 4 sixes, 8 boundaries for Gill. So already 12 boundaries and 4 sixes in this innings.
Ideal combination, right hand, left hand. Most runs in DP World Asia Cup 2025. Abhishek Sharma, top of the ladder, 155. Nishanka, Farhan, then Hridoy, and then of course Kushal Mendes.
This is the highest partnership for any wicket in this year's Asia Cup. And Gill showing great maturity as well. I think they know each other so well. They know each other's game. They've grown up together. They practice together. They play for the same team. And someone like Yuvraj Singh watching, he'll be mighty thrilled. He would have seen these young boys grow under his eyes. And they're putting up a show, matching each other shot for shot.
Another expensive spell from Haris Rauf. 17 conceded second over, straight to the fielder. Ray dot ball, 9 overs gone, 101 for none.
So 71 needed, and it's Fahim Ashraf.
Must be a tough situation for Pakistanis playing on the field. They're going through motions. This partnership, as we all know, 100 plus, 10 wickets in hand, required run rate just under 6.5. No worries there for India. But they outplayed Pakistan so far in this game in literally every department.
And as a captain, Salman Agha, you tend to run out of ideas when you have this kind of a partnership where both ends are going, they're batting sensibly, playing the field. They played shots all around the ground. Gill, the more orthodox, all cricketing shots. Very stylish. Has looked in good touch too. That was a classic, typical Gill special. So good on the pull, placement good, front, back foot, good all-round game.
Everything, the step down, the late cut, the reverse lap, you name it, he has got it, and with control. Special talent. An equally good player in red ball cricket too. The way he led this series against England in recent past was just unbelievable performance.
Yeah, terrific. Those many runs. And really an all-format player. And he keeps it simple. He doesn't really change his game. Whereas he's orthodox, he's correct. Just adapts to different formats.
He takes his time in test cricket. See off the ball, leaves it every time, changes according to the situation.
Bang! This time it's over mid-off. Will land safely and they'll come back for 2. Just wonder what could be the options for Pakistan here. Because you got to look back at your main bowlers. You can't wait for over number 18 or 17 because this game's running away fast. Got to look for your main guys to come and break the partnership.
Yeah, that's the only option. 67 runs required, 62 deliveries to go. And of course, in first 7 overs, Pakistan has given their part-time bowler Saim Ayub 3 overs. I think it's a drinks break. 105 for none.
Ha ha ha!